Hi guys, so today first of all, welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you a quick and inexpensive way to treat dry itchy scalp. Yes, dry itchy scalp. Many people like myself are suffering with dry itchy scalp. I can tell you, my hair does itch a lot. I have really itchy scalp. Really itchy scalp where I would scratch my scalp until it cut. Yes. And I used to use all kind of things. I used to try different products just to get a relief from those itching. And until I come across this simple, cheap product, I said, wow, I wish I didn't know about this for a long time. And it's a simple, easy product that maybe you have around your house already, cooking with, doing other things with. It's just as simple as some coconut oil. Yes, this is the extra virgin coconut oil. This oil relieves my itchy very well. All I have to do is apply it maybe once or twice for the week is enough. Nothing else. I tried the extra virgin olive oil, it didn't help me. I tried different kind of product, it didn't help me. When I heard about coconut oil, I decided to try it, and I can tell you it really helped me. So I want to share with you guys, if you're having the same problem like me, dry itchy scalp, you can try coconut oil. Try and see if it will help you. I believe it will, but you will have to be the one who said, yes, I tried it and it helped me. So today I want to share with you. It's also a way, it is also a way, if you're wearing locks, it is also a way to keep your locks moist. So today I want to share with you how do I apply the coconut oil to my scalp. It's not so hard. You just get a little bottle, put your coconut oil, a little spray bottle, something that is easier to work with, because you want to make sure you go properly all the way through your locks to make sure your scalp is saturated with all the coconut oil. So I'm going to start at the back, and all I do is just spray, and I use my hand to rub it in. Just as simple as that. You can start anywhere you're feeling comfortable with. You just spray enough to make sure your scalp is fully covered. And you continue like this until all your hair is covered. And just like that, you apply the coconut oil to relieve your dry itch. So please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video and you're interested in watching more. Please subscribe. Thank you in advance.